Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm at Playa Orange Beach, Alabama restaurant. At the restaurant, I'm gonna make homemade style guacamole. So we need avocados, onions, cilantro, tomatoes, garlic, jalapeno peppers, lime. Make sure you squeeze the lime very good. And salt and pepper. Once you have done all the steps for the guacamole, make sure you mash it up. We do not want any chunks. All I gotta say is avocados from Mexico. Now I'm gonna get a chip and then taste the guacamole. Wow, not gonna lie, this guacamole tastes very good. For tonight's dinner, I had a playa burger and fries. A playa burger is basically a burger with pineapple and a special sauce. Since today is the last day of summer, I went to Gulf Shores, Alabama. I swim in the pool and I went to the beach for the last time this summer. To be honest, this summer went by way too fast. It felt like it was just yesterday when this summer just started. Now tomorrow, I have to go back to school. When I went to the beach when it was almost sunset, I found a really deep hole. I decided to dig it deeper. Every time I go to the beach during the summer, I always see a lot of people digging deep holes. This is our hotel building. During sunset, the beach looks so pretty. The water is so nice and warm, in the pool and at the beach. 2021 summer was a blast. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.